Hello everyone, I am Oshastev Priyam. I am here to present to you a group project about bank vault system design. We know in every bank there is a bank vault system which keeps the money safe with security. In our project, we will explain how a bank vault system will be working. In this slide, we will talk about the problem criteria. So, in a bank there are 4 employees. They are the bank manager, assistant manager, teller, and the security guard. The bank has a system vault to store money. The vault was designed in such a way that it needs 4 signals to open it. These 4 signals are from the manager, assistant manager, and employees. For the vault to open, it needs to satisfy all the following conditions. No single employee can open the vault. Number 2. Can be opened with 2 employees and the manager. Number 3. Can be opened by the manager together with the assistant manager. Now we will discuss about the theory part of the vault system. We will be talking about the steps serially which will help the system to build gradually. At first we will see if the provided expression is not standard. Then make it standard. After standardization, create a truth table. Then use the truth table to develop a K-map. Proper grouping should be used in K-map to determine output expression. Finally, use the reduced expression for combinational circuit design. With this, I am ending my part. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is SK Shahriar Hossain Wasti, ID now 204305551, and I am going to present the truth table using K-map for this presentation. So first talk about the theory. K-map or Karnaugh map usually provides a systematic method for simplifying Boolean expression, and if properly used, it will produce the simplest SOP or POS expression possible. A Karnaugh map is also similar to the truth table. So from the next slide, we can see the truth table. From the question, there are criteria that no single employees can open the vault. Secondly, this vault can be opened with 3 employees, which includes the manager. So a manager is a must to open the vault. And thirdly, if manager and assistant manager is present, the vault can be opened. So from the slide of the truth table, we can assume that manager, let's assume manager as A, assistant manager as B, teller as C, security guard as D, and vault as Y. So from column number 6, now column number 5, row number 1 and 2, we can see that manager and assistant manager is present and the vault Y is opened. And column number 6, 7, 8, we can see that assistant manager or the uh, assistant manager is present as long as the manager and the keeper or teller is present to open the vault. And lastly, we can see that all are present and Y as a vault is opened. So this is the theory of a truth table to open the vault. Our further presentation will be discussed by our next team member. So that's it. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdullah Mamun. For our project, my part is truth table expression and K-map. From the truth table, we find many x values and we can find very big expression. And that is very difficult to make a circuit, and it will be very costly and difficult. For this, we can use K-map, which will give us a short expression and a simple circuit. By putting values, we can find their 2 groups. from the group we can simplify and we get AB plus ACD, which is a simple circuit. From this circuit we can make the project. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Abdul Aziz Shojik. In this video I am showing our circuit diagram and simulation. Let's talk about this circuit diagram. Here we have 4 input: manager, assistant manager, tailor and security guard. Here manager and assistant manager are connected with AND gate, and manager, tailor and security guard are also connected by AND gate, and these AND gate are connected by an OR gate, and this OR gate can show our output. Now we show our simulation. Now I am showing our circuit simulation. There are 3 conditions to open the vault. Number 1 is no single employee can open the vault. That means no single person can open the vault. Here we can see manager, assistant manager, tailor and security guard. This all 4 members value is 0, and that and by this our input also 0. So our second condition is this vault can be opened with 3 employees, which include the manager. That means manager must be present, and we open we on the manager, and rest of 3 members 2 members must be present with the manager. So we open on tailor and also on security guard. For by these 3 members the vault can be open. Here we can see if we off tailor and on assistant manager, it can be also open the vault. Now the third condition is this vault can be opened by manager together with the assistant manager. That means if we open manager and also open assistant manager, the vault can be open. So this is our circuit simulation. This is our circuit simulation, and thank you so much.
Myself, Abdul Mutakim Chaudhuri. I am going to present you about feature improvements and conclusions. First criteria is IP camera. Most banks that have a walk-in vault are likely to have a camera, at least covering the entrance. Some may have internal vault cameras. Although in bank with safe deposit boxes, they are more likely to have internal vault cameras. Secondly, laser technology is ideal as a security solution because it is invisible, allowing for inconspicuous monitoring of an area for intrusions. Thirdly, sound detector is used for an audio detection, which can be used in closed areas for the detection of the sound of forced entry, such as in storage room or vaults. This detect alarm unit here use sound detections. Lastly, security automation is the use of technology that performs tasks with AI in order to integrate security process.